Hello guys, we are back with another video. So in the previous video I said we are going to discuss about locus diagram that varying R this time. Okay, so once again I will give a brief introduction about locus diagram. It's normally used for analysis and designing of the circuit like filters, synchronous machines and induction machines. There are few types in the locus diagram, that is current locus diagram, voltage locus diagram, impedance locus diagram and admittance locus diagram. That is taking the vectors based on the current, voltage, that is impedance, admittance. So now we are discussing the current locus diagram. If you understand the current locus diagram, you can draw a voltage locus diagram also. Just see RL circuit. This is series. I'll be having a voltage vector V here and the resistance here and the inductor here. This is L, this is R. So now I am wearing the R vector. I will be writing the current equation as mod I is equal to V by under root R square plus XL square. Okay, I said I am wearing the R. So wearing R from 0 to infinity, I will be drawing the locus diagram for it. See, this is a voltage vector V. If R is equal to 0, I is equal to V by XL, right? R is equal to 0, I is equal to V by XL at the rate R is equal to 0. That is current through the pure inductor. So current through pure inductor is lagging, right? The current. Okay, is this correct? This is a current vector. Right now this is a current vector. I is equal to V by XL. See, this is a current vector, right? This is a current vector now. I is equal to V by XL at R is equal to 0. Okay, now if I am increasing the R, I get reduced. If I increase R, I decreases, right? Increasing the R, I is a decrease. So now I am decreasing, so I am getting the decreased magnitude of I. So I'll be joining this. I'm getting a circle, okay, semicircle, and this will be the diameter. Okay, diameter is equal to V by XL, and this is R is equal to infinity, and this is R is equal to 0. Okay, this is the locus diagram for RL circuit. Now I'll be drawing for RC circuit in the same way, having the voltage source R and this is a C. Same, mod I is equal to V by under root R square plus XC square. Okay, I am wearing the R vector, wearing R from 0 to infinity. Okay, so now I'll be taking the voltage vector V. We know that if R is equal to 0, if R is equal to 0, I is equal to V by XC. It's a pure capacitive circuit, so the current will be 90 degrees in lead with the voltage. Okay, so this will be V by XC at R is equal to 0. This is the current vector. If R is keep on increasing, the magnitude of the current will be decreases, right? So I'll be getting like this. Okay, and this time this will be the diameter, semicircle, right? Diameter. What is the diameter here? V by XC. Diameter is equal to V by XC, and this is R at infinity. This is how we will draw the locus diagram for RL and RC circuit. Similarly, we can go for any other circuit if you are having the parameters R and RLC, if they are connected in any form, like RL in series in parallel with the C, like that. Any circuit will be drawing the locus diagram. Hope you guys understand how to draw the locus diagram. Thank you, and please do subscribe for my channel, and I'll be uploading some important concepts that are very hard to understand in the GATE point of view or IS point of view in the electrical engineering subject. So please do like and share my subject. Thank you.